and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches. To the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio and same alert systems. Here are 10 a.m. conditions. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. And now the hourly information for the Greater Northeast. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties. Partly sunny in the morning, then mostly cloudy with Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. a.m. Wednesday and 12:01 a.m. Thursday. Low tide is at 5:30. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. A cold front will move in the morning. Evening commute. Additional details. Snow will be initially chance of snow. Snow will trend lighter and become increasingly dry Friday night into Saturday. Isolated power outages could occur due to the weight of the snow.
What?
Forecast. The noon code. Yes. Here is winter storm warning information for the following area in Vermont, western Windsor. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches. Where? In New York, Essex County. In Vermont, eastern Addison, western Windsor counties. When? From 10 a.m. Friday to 10 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the Friday evening commute. Friday night into Saturday. Isolated power outages could occur due to the weight of the snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest on road conditions in Vermont, visit https://newengland511.org, and for New York, visit https://511ny.org. Reports from information for the following area in Maine, interior York, and the following areas in New Hampshire, Belknap, Cheshire, Merrimack, Southern Carroll, Southern Grafton, Stratford, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. 1. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation between 4 and 7 inches. Where? Portions of southwest, Maine, and central, northern, and southern New Hampshire. Northern, Maine, and central, northern. A snowstorm will bring rapidly deteriorating travel conditions are expected Friday afternoon and evening, with significant evening commute impacts across New Hampshire. Snowfall rates of over 1 inch per hour are possible Friday evening. Weather Service forecast for interior